Very important topic today. It's all about life skill versus regular study. Why life skill is important for us, that we will understand in this video, and how both the regular and the study and the life skill can be merged togetherly for the benefit for the student, for any one of us. So first point which comes in the life skill, that is practical application. If someone focus in the life skill, we can understand here lot of practical knowledge will be there. That's the reason, as we say, 21st century students should be exposed towards robotics, towards critical thinking, creative thinking. This all means what they are studying. If suppose the topic germination, if you have taken, so if you go with the life skill, it means practical application will be more. Why, how the germination happens, how it will be benefited for you. So you will be just going with more and more life skill kind of activity there. And apart of that, if you see that might be you have heard also a lot of other vocational courses has been added. Vocational courses also is the part of life skill. In that, like suppose with many programs in many of the school they conduct, like cooking, gardening, time management. These all are the part of practical application. So that's the reason, as per the National Education Policy 2020 also, life skill has to be more in the school, so that practical application should be implemented. After that, what is the second thing is real world relevance. It means in life skill you won't be only studying what is there in the book, how you can connect with that the world around you. Any topic, whatever you read, how you will become self motivated with that topic, and how it will be good for your personal and professional growth. That's also life skill teach you. It means the topic will be connected with the real life experience. That's very important in the life skill. So that's the reason life skill is very important for in our life, to just go with such type of study where you can just groom your personal and professional life also. And the third thing which is very important in life skill, that is holistic development. Might be we have heard also, many of the school will say, and college or in our professional life also we have heard, holistic development is very important. When we are talking about the holistic development, what is that? Whatever we do, we connect with the society. Being a human being will connect with the humanity. This all somehow we have taught being a holistic person. So overall character will be developed if you focus in life skill. And the fourth, which is very important, life skill will teach you lifelong benefit. It means any situation comes in your life, whether being a teacher, whether being a student and all, you will be able to solve the problem instead of finding the problem and more actually. That's what the life skill teaches us. And the fifth thing, which is very important, overall well-being. When I'm talking about the well-being, it's all about the balance in your life, of your physical, of your mental, completely health will be taken care of. That's the reason people are more focused these days towards their health, towards a lot of time management programs they are taking, not to be depressed, not to be stressed. So that's what the life skill teaches. So that's the reason in the school, in the college, whether in our professional life skill is very important, which we need to implement in our life. And if it comes to the regular study, how in the earlier days in our traditional system, especially this regular study used to be, and still it's there, and what is the benefit and how it's differ from life skill study kind of environment, that will understand. If we go with a regular kind of academic study, the first thing is, which we all are aware of, more than practical, we'll get the theoretical knowledge. And it's not wrong also. Sometimes theoretical knowledge is very important, because if you don't have the theoretical knowledge, your basic foundation towards the education, it won't be good. So it means education foundation you can get only through regular study. That's very important. Like supposed to be ABCD we have learned in the early age, in your pre-primary, all you will be learning colors, alphabet. Why it's needed? That is all foundation course. That's also very, very important actually. And when we go with regular study, obviously critical thinking will be more, because you will be thinking more actually, why to study like this way, why to read this textbook, lot of formulas, lot of solution will be there, which will make you to think before you study. It's not like to understand to study. You need to critically, you have to understand, then only you can just go with study more better. And so very important, if someone is focusing in regular study, obviously for career opportunity will be more for you, because end of the day, if you go for any examination, whether UPSC, whether you wanted to become IAS officer, IPS officer, whether a teacher and all, somehow your knowledge needed on that subject. That's the reason regular study is very very important also, which we cannot deny, because you'll have more and more career opportunity. And so very important, it's supposed to be, you have become a doctor, only life skill won't help. It means you need to understand the system of everything. Being a doctor is supposed to be, there are so many doctors, but every doctor won't go with all kind of treatment. The reason is why a dental doctor has studied completely about the dental, a gynec doctor has completely have gone through a gynec system, completely every knowledge will be there when we focus on regular and academic study. So what did we understand with this life skill versus academic regular study? It means both are very important. We cannot deny even the one part of that. So if someone is focusing only the regular study, that's also wrong. And someone only will study only the concept based like life skill kind of learning, that also is not good. So it has to be merged togetherly for our growth and for our development.